Hello there. Here we go. It's another Wacky Math Wednesday. You have a puzzle up at the top that we're going to figure out, even if we have to use the hundreds chart from yesterday. I'll show you how to use that. We are going to show a number in multiple ways. So right here we have the standard form. We're going to take this number and put it in written form, expanded form, and base 10 blocks. Uh-oh, we don't have a word bank today for written form, but we have been practicing written form all summer with Name That Number that I know we'll be able to do it. Here down at the bottom, we are going to skip count forward, and we're going to start at the top with 247, counting by tens and counting by hundreds. And then we're going to skip count forward, starting with 574. We're going to count by tens and then count by hundreds. All right, it's getting wacky. Let's start up here at the top with our puzzle. So I brought over the hundreds chart from yesterday. Hopefully you can see that. That's the number we worked with yesterday. Remember the 95? So here I have 62, and I want to get to 82. So this heart is going to be some number that's going to get me from 62 to 82. So let's see, let's start right here at 62. What direction do I have to go to get to 82? Would I go up, subtracting 10? Would I go down, adding 10? Would I go to the right, adding 1? Or would I go to the left, subtracting 1? Well, 82 is right down here. So I have to go down to get to 82. And I'm going down by 10. So remember, if I can move it over a little bit with my secret compass here, when I move down, I am adding 10. How many 10s do I need to add? Here's 10, and here's another 10. I have to add 20. So your heart should equal 20. I'd add 20 to get to that 82. Now for the next one, I'm going to start at 74, and then I have to subtract something to get to 64. So here I am at 74, there it is, and I'm going to subtract what to go to 64? I'm just going to subtract 10. Now for the very last one, that no sign, right? No. I'm going to start with 36, and I have to make my way to 37. I might not even need this hundreds chart for that one. How much do I need if I'm at 36 and I go to 37? I just need to add one more. So for the heart, you should have had 20. For the smiley face, you should have had 10. And for that no sign, you should have had 1. Excellent job there. So here I have 313 written in standard form. I want to take this and put it in the other forms. Which one would you like to start with? I heard someone shout out the base 10 blocks. That might be someone who likes to draw. So here, remember, if I have my key, this is 100. The stick that looks like that, that's a 10. And then my little dot is a 1. And I have 313. So I have 3 hundreds, 1, 2, 3. I have 1 10 like that. And I have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Now I want to take this and this, because it represents the same thing, and I want to put it in expanded form. 300 plus 10 plus 3. Putting that all together would give me 313. Now here's the moment we've all been practicing for. The whole book, we've been doing name that number. 313. If you need to look on Monday's work to see if there's any words that you needed help spelling, we know 100 is probably there on Monday's work. You probably have teen, the word teen, and you probably have, maybe those are only 2. I don't think that 13 was there, or 3. So remember, we've been practicing this so you can do it on your own. Now here, we are going to skip count forward. Notice it said forward, so that means I'm going to be going up. Here I'm going to start with the tens. So what place is going to change? My tens place. So I have 247. I'll have 257, 267, 277, and 287. See how that tens place changed there? Now I'm going to do the same thing, counting forward, except here it says count by hundreds. So my hundreds place is changing. I had 247. Here I'll have 347, 447, 547, and 647. Forward by 100. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So with the next one, this example is a little different because I'm going to cross over 100. I'll show you what that looks like. So here I have 574. That's pretty high up on the hundreds chart. See how it's 74? So if I'm counting by tens, I would count 584 and 594. 94 is toward the end of the 500s. So from 500 to 600, between there, I have these numbers. But now that I'm at 594, I'm going to move into 600. So I would go to 604. And then my next number will be 614. I was at 90. So after 90, I go on to the next 100. So let's do the same thing here. Here I'm counting by hundreds. 574, 674, 774, 874, and 974. You did excellent work today, skip counting. Excellent work showing the number, this number here, in multiple ways. And of course, it wouldn't be a Wacky Wednesday without a wacky puzzle. Excellent work today. See you soon. Hi, my budding geniuses. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you have your book so you can follow along. Practice on your own for 15 minutes and then log in to review the lesson. Remember, there's a purpose for your life. If you stay focused, you can say Oyemi. I understand. See you tomorrow. Bye now.